So I'm taking off this plastic crank off a door panel on an '89 Toyota pickup. And what I'm going to use is just an old towel here that I'm going to slide in between the crank and a plastic washer to try to get to a snap ring that locks it in place. Okay, so this is the snap ring here. Plastic washer. Snap ring that goes in here. And it goes in like this. And there it is. Now, if whoever put it on there before put it the other way around, so if they put it from this side, which it'll work too. It's a little harder to put on there, but it'll still work. And honestly, I don't even know which way it's the right way to put it on. But you would have to go from the top in that case. So if it's not working from the bottom, then it could be that the open end of that clip is on the top. So then just go from the top. And I heard it. I don't know where it went. Try to catch it. There it is. So that's how that works. Thanks for watching.